The petition filed by attorney-at-law Aruna Laksirunawatuna was taken up by a three-member Supreme Court bench comprising Chief Justice Jayantha Jayasuriya and Justices Arjun Obesekara and Priyantha Fernando. The Supreme Court emphasized that the 19th Amendment to the Constitution was formally adopted in line with Supreme Court conclusions from 2015, which did not mandate a referendum for its adoption. In delivering the decision, the bench ordered the petitioner to pay a fee of 500,000 rupees to the court by the 31st of July. During the proceedings, the Chief Justice reminded the petitioner, who is also an attorney-at-law, that the court's valuable time should not be wasted unnecessarily, even by a lawyer. The Chief Justice stated that there was no need for the court to intervene again after the bill was incorporated into the parliamentary record on the 15th of March 2015. The bench upheld the preliminary objections presented by the Attorney General, noting that the petition was filed after the allowable time had elapsed. The Chief Justice questioned whether the petitioner could not read and understand the Supreme Court's rulings on the 19th Constitutional Amendment, or if he was willfully ignoring them. He stressed that as a lawyer, the petitioner should act with understanding and responsibility. Aruna Laksirunawatuna's petition argued that the 19th Amendment was not formally passed and that holding a presidential election without a referendum and approval was unconstitutional. The Election Commission, its members, the Secretary General of Parliament and the Attorney General were named as respondents. Members of Parliament, SJB General Secretary Ranjith Maduma Bandara, Niroshan Paduka and Harshana Rajakaruna filed petitions to intervene, but the bench issued their order based on the statement from Deputy Solicitor General Kanishka De Silva, representing the Attorney General, without granting permission for the intervening lawyers to present their arguments.
We salute the Supreme Court of Sri Lanka for upholding the sovereignty of the people in this country. The Supreme Court also expressed concern on whether this individual is capable of appearing on behalf of others in court as a counsel.
Ranil Rajapaksa ආණ්ඩුව විසින් මේ කරන උත්සාහය
Samagya Jana Balawegya has always stood for the people against such attempts by the Ranil Rajapaksa government. We firmly believe that we will fulfill the people's hopes and hold the presidential election before the 17th of October.
බලාපොරොත්තුව ඉටු වෙනවා අනිවාර්යෙන්ම ඔක්තෝබර් 17 වෙනිදාට කලින් ජනාධිපතිවරණය පවත්වනවා.
අපි දැක්ක රනිල් වික්‍රමසිංහ කොයි හරි ඔප්පු ප්‍රදානයකදී කියනවා.
Ranil Wickremesinghe has claimed that the court's jurisdiction lies within the parliament. However, this court has clearly demonstrated its jurisdiction. The executive's interference and the resulting confusion highlight the importance of the courts in upholding the people's sovereignty. We thank the Supreme Court for clarifying the situation. Moving forward, we hope no one will challenge these interpretations.
දැන් මෙතනින් පස්සේ මං හිතන්නේ නෑ තවත් කෙනෙක් එයි කියලා මේ පිළිබඳව අර්ථ නිරූපණ ගන්න.
ඒ වගේම දේශපාලන පක්ෂවලට දේශපාලන නායකයින්ට ඉතා පැහැදිලි පණිවිඩයක් ලබා දෙන්න.
Political parties and their leaders have been given a message confirming the democratic right to vote through several court decisions. We believe the Election Commission will receive the necessary authority in 2 days. Therefore, we urge the Election Commissioner and the entire Commission to announce the election as soon as they receive the power.
කොමසාරිස්තුමාගෙන් මැතිවරණ කොමිසම සභාවේ සභාපතිතුමා ඇතුළු සමස්ත කොමිසමෙන් ඉල්ලා සිටින්නේ ඔබට බලය ලැබෙන පළවෙනි මොහොතේම ජනාධිපතිවරණය ප්‍රකාශයට පත් කරන්නට කියලා.
අපි රනිල් වික්‍රමසිංහ ජනාධිපතිවරයාට මතක් කරනවා.
We remind President Ranil Wickremesinghe that his strategies are running out. The people's power is once again gaining momentum.
සාකච්ඡාව ජනතාවට බලය ලැබෙමින් තියෙනවා.